If you've ever wanted a projector you can just grab, bring to another room, take on a staycation, or set up for a quick movie night without immediately worrying about power outlets, this one might be for you. This is the Wanbo ToGo Pro. It's a compact smart projector with Google TV, native Full HD resolution, a built-in battery, and a rotating stand, so on paper, it sounds like the kind of projector that's actually made to move around with you. But of course, the question is, does the portability make it better, or does it come with too many compromises? I'm Brad of Yugatech, and let's find out. Starting with the design. This is where the ToGo Pro immediately stands out from Wanbo's other projectors. Unlike some models that feel more like small projectors for the house, this one really feels designed to be carried around. It has a compact rectangular body, a clean industrial look, and most importantly, a leather handle up top. It sounds simple, but it makes a difference because it makes the projector feel like something you can actually bring with you instead of just leaving on a shelf. It weighs around 2.6 kilos, so it's not ultra light, but it's still portable enough to move from room to room, bring to a friend's place, or pack for a trip without much hassle. One of my favorite parts here is the 360-degree rotating stand. Since it's built into the body, setup is just easier. You can angle it toward a wall, raise it for a higher surface, or point it at the ceiling if you want to watch while lying on bed. For a projector that's meant to be used in different places, that flexibility matters a lot. I just do wish it charged via USB-C instead of a dedicated DC adapter. It's not a deal breaker, but for a projector built around portability, being able to tap it up with the same charger you use for a laptop or power bank would have made a lot of sense. As for ports, you get the essentials: HDMI, USB-A, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Now when it comes to usability, the good news is Wanbo didn't make this feel like a portable projector with compromises. It still behaves like a proper smart projector. The ToGo Pro runs Google TV based on Android 14, so right out of the box, you already get access to Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, and many more. That's a big plus because it means you don't need to bring a separate streaming stick just to make the projector feel complete. Setup is also straightforward. Log in with your Google account, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. The included remote is simple and easy to use, with shortcut buttons for streaming apps and a Google Assistant button for voice commands. You also get dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. Since this is a projector, setup convenience matters a lot, and thankfully, the ToGo Pro has autofocus, auto keystone correction, and auto screen alignment. So if you move it from place to place, you don't have to manually fix the image every single time. You set it down, point it at the wall, wait for a few seconds, and handles most of the cleanup on its own. Now let's talk about the actual viewing experience. The Wanbo ToGo Pro has a native Full HD resolution at 1920 by 1080, 500 ANSI lumens of brightness, and a 1.3:1 throw ratio, with a recommended screen size of around 40 to 120 inches. It can also play 4K content, but to be clear, this is still a 1080p projector, so you're not getting native 4K projection here. That said, for movies, streaming, YouTube, and even casual gaming, the image quality is pretty solid for the category. Full HD still looks sharp at practical screen sizes, and in the right environment, the ToGo Pro can deliver a really enjoyable viewing experience. The main limitation here is brightness. 500 ANSI lumens is decent for a portable projector, but this is still best used in a dim room or at night. That's where the picture looks cleaner, contrast feels better, and the whole experience becomes much more immersive. So if your case is bedroom movie nights, binge sessions, or outdoor viewing after sunset, the ToGo Pro makes a lot of sense. But if you're expecting it to fight against daylight or a bright living room, that's where you start seeing the limits. For audio, the ToGo Pro has an 8-watt speaker, and for casual watching, it's perfectly usable. It's enough for a bedroom setup, quick movie sessions, or just watching YouTube without immediately needing external speakers. That said, if I were planning to watch a full movie, I'd still prefer pairing it with a Bluetooth speaker or a soundbar. The built-in speaker is fine, but it doesn't quite give the fuller sound that makes a movie night feel complete. The good thing is, you do have options since it supports Bluetooth audio and also has the 3.5mm audio jack. As for fan noise, Wanbo rates it at 27 decibels or below, and thankfully it stays quiet enough that it doesn't become distracting during normal use. Now the biggest reason to buy this projector. The features that really defines ToGo Pro is the battery. It has a 99 watt-hour built-in battery, and that's what makes it different from Wanbo's more home-focused projectors. Wanbo says it can last up to 2 hours in standard mode and up to 3.5 hours in eco mode, which means yes, you can realistically finish a movie without having to keep it plugged in, depending on your settings. And for me, that's really the whole point of this device. Without the battery, this would still be a decent compact smart projector, but with it, the ToGo Pro becomes much more flexible. It becomes the kind of projector you can bring to places where regular projector is just more annoying to set up, and that's really its value. So, is the Wanbo ToGo Pro worth it? If what you want is a projector for a fixed home setup and you don't really care about battery power, there are other Wanbo projectors that might give you more brightness or better value depending on the price. But if your priority is portability, convenience, and flexibility, then the ToGo Pro makes a lot of sense. You're getting native Full HD, Google TV, automatic image adjustment, a useful rotating stand, and most importantly, a 99 watt-hour built-in battery that changes how and where you can use the projector. It's not perfect. I still wish it used a USB-C for charging, and as expected, brightness is best suited for darker environments. But overall, I think Wanbo got the concept right here. The ToGo Pro feels like a projector that actually understands what portable should mean. Not just small enough to carry, but convenient enough to use in more places without too much hassle. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and that's our review of the Wanbo ToGo Pro. Again, I'm Brian, and see you again in the next one.